Oh, they're racing. Oh, they're racing. Oh, you're beating them. Oh, you stopped too. It was. Oh, so close race though. Oh, put your dirt bike right there. Okay. Hey, he's gonna drive off. I don't know where. I'll see if Tristan's coming out.
He's almost ready.
Okay, he's supposed to come down?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. One more quick race? Yeah. One more quick race. Okay, you guys race to the pine tree down there. Ready? Right. Going this way, Ollie. You guys are both going different directions. Okay, on your ready? Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, stalled and Ollie was going the wrong direction. Here we go. Here we go. False start. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Get set. Go! Oh, Levi wins. See you later, Ollie. We'll find him eventually.